Hey guys, how you doing? Hey, I appreciate all the comments. Makes me feel good. I'm on day 4, and I went in to get a wedge taken out of my lung, but they did a biopsy. I think they call it a cold biopsy or something, and they found cancer in it. So they took the whole lower left lobe. But they said it was so small, I may not have to have any chemo or anything. That's why they took the whole thing. So, hey, thank you guys and girls. I appreciate it. It's not too bad. I tell you, you don't want to cough when you have your lung removed. Oh, baby. It's a screamer. And you don't want to laugh either. Okay. Thanks, Mir, for updating everybody. Okay. Gotta go. See ya.